Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a decorate with me. We're going to be creating a really cute and simple fall coffee station, and I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I did because I think it turned out so pretty. I love that it's cute and very functional at the same time.
That's me and you. Run away to the sunset. Run away with the sky left far behind. Strange brew is meant.
If you're new here, I would love it if you subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell to get notified whenever I have a new video. The first piece of decor that I wanted to add is this cute stand that I got at HomeGoods for $24.99. It's marble and then it has that wood stick in the middle, which I like better than the metal ones because the metal one get rusty. I had a metal ones and it got really ugly right away. Then I'm adding these really cute bottles that I got at the dollar store, and then I just put cinnamon and pumpkin spice in there. I also got these cute little Hello Pumpkin signs at HomeGoods for $3.99, and I decided to just pop it in there as well. I'm adding some greenery by adding a little plant. So since it's just me and my husband, I didn't want to crowd the place with a bunch of mugs and stuff like that. So I decided to just add these two clear mugs from Target. I got this at the Target dollar spot. I think it was last year. Then I'm adding this cute pumpkin that I got at dollar store last year and this really cute sugar jar. So I got this really cute tray. It was in the bathroom section at HomeGoods. It was $8.99, and then I found this syrup trio, and honestly it was super cool because they were all $9.99. And then I got the cutest bottles. These bottles are from World Market and they're meant for oils. This blogger shared them on Instagram and I was like, oh my god, I have to have those. Finish up the coffee station, I decided to add this really pretty wall art. I thought it was so cute and it was, smaller. It was nothing too big and overpowering, and it was only $12.99 at HomeGoods. And then I put all my little coffee into this jar, and that finished the look, you guys.
We're riding high, surrounded by neon lights. Everything we do can break into.
Thanks for watching. I hope this video gave you some inspiration to create a beautiful coffee bar this fall. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite part of this coffee station. See you guys on my next video. God bless.
Run away with the sky left far behind. Strange brew is meant for me and you. We ride.